get it?
Two people should know this. Hey.
Health, if you got health insurance, finance covered in.
They actually have a test rate. When they buy little
It's nice not having people coming in the ground, calling you.
and it's nice because they've got it
All those listers?
Yeah, look, he bought a whole bunch of them. What is that?
I don't know, that's something you put in there. You guys did a good job. Yeah,
Well, these are nice.
the only one I wish you wouldn't have sold was that mobile.
Good day.
Very nice. 6 horsepower. John and his son did. Was stuck when they got it. They did a lot of head repairs to it.
Lunch, everyone. Come in.
Yeah,
Was it a 100-ton press? Yeah, 100-ton press.
yeah, 80, we used 80 tons.
80 tons to get the piston moved. And then it took 20 tons from every eighth of an inch to clean the rings up, and there it is. Everything on it was stuck. I bought it at auction and like, huh?
Did you guys fix the head, or it was just
Top
stuck?
and bottom was in like 5 pieces. The guy's like, well, everybody's like, why did you buy this? Everything on it was stuck. I said, that's why I bought it, because everything was stuck.
Probably going to be more at the end.
Now that scared me.
Yes, man, how to get the rhythm.
So what model is it? Or just a Waterloo?
You know, I'm not sure. Oh, all right, hold on a second. Change that tree on it. I don't know, can somebody read the tag?
I tried. I got a picture of it so I could blow it up later and try. Yeah.
Boy.
I saw it in your truck out in the yard, and it was to me it was I thought it was very interesting. So I got a bunch of pictures of it. But no, I couldn't read a model on the tag.
Oh, it's just
Waterloo.
Waterloo boy, yeah.
So just an air cooled, probably what, a 1 3/4?
Yeah. Actually, get the oil.
About 19,
Really?
about 1913.
Where I live, called
Oh, yeah.
So, you remember that one?
Yeah.
So, I put on my big boy panties and tore it all apart and brazed it and ground it down. It looks like a Cadillac.
Nope, that wouldn't
But I was one mad man. You're not going to eat?
No, we're going to head
We're going to eat like 10 minutes.
You got no big dickhead.
We all should eat those. Right now, we're eating now.
We're eating now? All right. I'm going to turn this thing off.
Transfer to the other 73, make it all work. Somebody else has already done all the work.
Do it again. I didn't hear it.
Blew the pipe off.
Ain't got earplugs in on up there?
Okay, I'm ready. Can you start it, please?
Yeah, right. I got the road, I finally got across the street to my house, and the dog was
Because this
But she
would turn
certainly
the
has
same
had
way
it
the
wrong.
engine
She,
would be turned. That's
you know, her
forward.
stomach's been messed
So
up,
that would be forward.
so you can't feed her anything.
Although I don't
except
know why
certain
you would
foods
start
now.
this thing.
Otherwise, she will start throwing up.
Well, that would be the only way. There's no reverse gears.
Nothing
Just
lost any, but her freaking breast.
to turn
She
the
has
timing
chronic
the other side is not
sinusitis.
there.
Go about halfway.
Halfway would be top dead center.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The breath was stinking, so we took
Don't stop. I'm just trying to get a picture of it.
No.
Power,
She's
small
supposed to be.
BB with a V8.
Right.
See why John showed up.
Whole bunch of Maytags here. Wow. Very nice, 4.5. Fairbanks Z, bolted to, I'm gonna guess a Fairbanks pump. Bunch of listers. Crosley. Jeez. All right, it's Mr. Dangoff for sale.
Just some batteries.
Just the batteries. You getting the tractor business?
Hand corn grinder.
You got in the tractor business?
Yes.
Nice EB. A little wheel horse with a LB in it. Nice looking M. Couple 3 horsepowers. Whoa, big Galloway. Stover. Mogul.
But last night, you know, we're used to coming from here and there. Obviously, that's our trail. And she knows to go either drive or
That's what I feel like.
And so last night, when I got off work, came in, he's like, I gotta go get the and
57? Oh, okay. That's right. They built those early on, didn't they? Back in the day.
I never pulled them. I like the MPs. I don't know.
I just took whatever I could find. We had junkyards back.